start by unrolling your crescent dough sheet and just making it nice and long, placing it right in the center here of your greased baking dish. In my bowl, I'm gonna add 2 containers of cream cheese here, so 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese at room temperature. Adding 1 cup of sugar and some vanilla. We are adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Go ahead and mix it all up. Ooh, look at that. We want to mix it up until it's nice and smooth. Yum. Just making sure that you get out all those chunks of cream cheese. That looks great. We'll go ahead and turn this down. Get that right out of there. Bringing back over that crescent sheet, and now we have this cream cheese filling that will go ahead and, ooh, look at how good that looks. We're just gonna pour that all out of there. Get it all in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just get it all out of your bowl. There we go. And we'll go ahead and spread this. Oh, you guys, this cream cheese filling stuff is like my favorite. Ooh, I love a cream cheese dessert. It's just so good. And I swear every time I make this, everybody's asking me for the recipe. So we are just gonna make this together today. This looks great. Everything's all smoothed out. We just wanna make sure the cream cheese covers the entire piece of the crescent dough. So looks like we're missing a little corner over there. Let's just do that and get that right spread there in that corner. Love it. One more crescent dough sheet here that we're gonna lay right over the top. So we're kind of sandwiching in that cream cheese mixture. We have one more crescent dough layer that you can see we're just tucking it right over the top of that cream cheese. Oh, this is gonna be so, you guys are gonna love this. It's gonna be so, so, so good. And look how easy this is. I love things like this. Can you tell they're my favorite? They're pretty much all I make. Easy, fun stuff that tastes delicious. Oh, right up my alley. Okay, now we have that crescent dough sheet on there. Here I have about 1/4 cup of melted butter, and I'm gonna pour that right over the top here of this crescent dough. Ooh, this is gonna make the outside crust so good. I have a little brush. I just wanna make sure I get all that butter evened out on this crescent dough. Ooh, yes, we want that butter to seep in. Ooh, yes. Do you know where we're going with this? Holy moly, you guys, what a good thing. I don't know, you could have this for breakfast. You could have this for your after dinner dessert, maybe with a cup of coffee, or an espresso would be fabulous.
Or eat it anytime for a quick pick-me-up.
Yeah. Or anytime for a quick pick-me-up. Thanks, babe. Okay, on top of that butter, you guys, we have some cinnamon sugar that we put together, and we're just coming in the top here, and we are just not gonna be shy with this cinnamon sugar. Oh, it's kind of like a tongue twister, cinnamon sugar. And we are drizzling this cinnamon sugar all over the top of this melted butter. Ooh, look at this. Yes, have you ever had anything like this? Probably not. My guess is no. Tell me if I'm wrong in the comments. All right, I love cinnamon sugar, but I would say that's probably just the right amount there. Ooh, this can be so good when it bakes together with the butter and the crescent dough, you guys. I wanna see what we see here. Ooh, we have some crescent dough. We have this cream cheese, another layer of dough, some melted butter, cinnamon sugar. We are on our way to just be happy campers around here. So let's stick this in the oven at 350. It'll cook for about 18 to 22 minutes. I'll let you know how it goes, and stick around because I really do think that you're gonna love how this turns out. Oh my gosh, this smells delicious. Look at that. And look at those layers of the crescent roll and the cream cheese filling. You can see all of that brown sugar on top. Wow, this looks divine. Yes. This is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna come right here in the center. Ooh, it's so soft. I know it is still warm inside, but I really, 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 really want to have some of this. Okay, we'll just scoop it right out. Ooh, get it right on there. Look at that cream cheese filling is just coming out. I had to like do a really, you see how quick that was? That transitions to the plate. Obviously you can tell it is really still warm. Once you let it cool down, the cream cheese will probably, you know, not harden up. It'll still be soft, but it won't be nearly as runny as it is right now. But it's hot and I love it hot, so I'm just gonna eat it like that. Your face.
Hurry up and eat it.
You're mimicking me.
Good?
Good? No. Great. Yum. This is great. The crescent roll is so good. That butter with the cinnamon sugar on top is perfect to just sweeten up that top with the cinnamon. Ooh, I love the filling. Mmm.